All right, we've got nothing new happening with gold today, but before we get started, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Exness, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Please find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for gold, and you can see that gold has been going sideways for the last 3 days, including today, and it has tested resistance of the 50 moving average orange line right here today, yesterday, and the day before very specifically, and then a few days ago as well. So you can see that gold is hitting resistance at the trend line and hitting resistance at the purple 20 and the 50 moving average and the downtrend. And we're moving towards the apex of this symmetrical triangle type formation that therefore has formed. So as long as gold stays within the parameters of this line on the bottom and the line on the top, consolidation will continue. So we're watching for a breakout of this consolidation either to the upside or the downside. An upside signal is triggered above, or an upside signal is triggered above 2003.40, and a downside signal below 2002.94 or so. A slightly earlier signal may be given by the trend line, but it's impossible to see what price that might actually be. Nevertheless, you can see how volatility has been contracting very recently, and then over a longer period, and then over an even longer period. And that is also reflected in the fact that the moving averages have converged together. The short-term purple 20 moving average crossed below the 50, and that they've been going sideways next to each other since then. So this is also a sign of diminished volatility, and that means that what follows price compression is generally accelerated movement, either to the upside or the downside. That means that when we do break out of the symmetrical triangle, gold could really get moving in whatever direction it ends up going in. At the same time, always be cautious of false breakouts, either up or down. All right, that is it for gold traders. Have a great week.